Welcome to the Pickup Adventure. Today we're exploring the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Hilux. Buckle up as we dive into its performance, technology, and design. The 2025 Toyota Hilux is set to be a game changer. It boasts enhancements over its predecessor, including advanced safety features, improved towing capacity, and off-road prowess. Under the hood, expect a mild hybrid diesel engine combining power with efficiency. Toyota's commitment to electrification means the Hilux might adopt hybrid, hydrogen, or electric technology. Whether you're conquering rugged trails or cruising on highways, the Hilux promises a thrilling ride. The exterior will likely feature modernized styling cues and aerodynamic improvements. Sleek lines, bold grille, and LED lighting will make heads turn. Inside, the cabin will be more refined and spacious. Upgraded materials, comfortable seats, and a larger touchscreen infotainment system await. Safety tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring will keep you secure. While Toyota hasn't officially confirmed the release date, speculation suggests late 2025. Unfortunately, the Hilux won't be available in the United States due to high taxes, but owning one there is legal. The average cost globally is around $22,029.68. The 2025 Toyota Hilux combines reliability, durability, and versatility. Whether you're a workhorse or an adventure seeker, this pickup has you covered.